Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, this is an oil painting by the Russian landscape painter Ivan Shishkin. I decided to use this as a reference photo to do a graphite drawing from and make a full tutorial of it over on my Patreon channel. It's a 12-part video series, all done in real time, no voiceovers or anything like that. Lots of tips and techniques for you in this one. And if you like drawing trees and foliage, this one will be ideal for you. And if you're looking at this thinking, oh, it's too complicated for you, well, over on my Patreon channel, there's lots of beginners videos. In fact, there's over 70 tips and techniques videos alone, all designed for beginners. So I'm sure you'll find something over there that'll help you. But if you're looking at this and thinking that this one just isn't for you, well, here's a short selection of some of the other projects that I've done over on Patreon. These are all actually graphite drawings, although I have done a lot of watercolours, coloured pencil, ink drawings, mixed media, that type of thing, over on my Patreon channel as well. If you want to have a quick look through my YouTube channel, you'll get a good idea of the kind of work that I do. Most of the projects that you see on YouTube are actually full tutorials over on Patreon. Some of the early stuff on YouTube isn't. That's because I didn't have a Patreon channel at the time, but most of it is. So if you'd like to learn some of the tips and techniques and some of the methods that I use, have a quick look over on my Patreon channel. It'd be great to see you over there. Well, I guess this video has just been one long shameless plug for Patreon, hasn't it? Go on, give me a thumbs down. I deserve it for this one, don't I? In fact, give me 2 thumbs down, even better. But if you're feeling kind-hearted and generous, you can always give the video a like. It's good for the soul. It's good for my channel too. Okay, so thanks very much for sitting through it, everyone. I hope you like the finished drawing. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.